Hey guys, we're back, and today we're going to be introducing everyone in a few seconds. Come on guys, we're going to start our motorcycle over here. You're going to hold this for a second.
Yeah. So anyway, while Ivan's doing getting his bike ready, I'm just gonna tell you that the things we're gonna be doing, you should not try at home because, you know, it's sort of dangerous. And even if you have a motorcycle, well, you could try, but I don't recommend this. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you Ivan here. And we're getting on the back of the thing. See? That's awesome! It's totally awesome! Yeah! See this? Look! He's turning it off and on. It's awesome.
So guys,
Okay.
how was that?
That was awesome. So, see, here's Ivan the driver. So, yeah, you know. Whoa! So, we'll be back later. And that was awesome, right, peeps?